Want to start a side hustle that earns while you sleep? Selling digital products on Etsy is one of the easiest, most profitable online businesses you can start in 2025, with zero inventory, zero shipping, and full creative freedom. Here's how it works. You create a digital file once, like a printable planner, resume template, budget tracker, wedding invitation, or even digital wall art, and list it on Etsy. Customers from all over the world can buy and download it instantly, and you get paid every single time with no extra work. The best part? You don't need to be a designer. You can use free tools like Canva to create beautiful templates, even if you're a complete beginner. Here's how to get started. Pick a niche. Choose something you're interested in, like productivity, budgeting, self-care, or events. Create a product. Use Canva or Adobe Express to design your digital file. Open an Etsy shop. It's free. Set up your shop name, branding, and product listings. Upload and price. Add eye-catching mock-ups. Set a price. $2 to $20 works well, and you're live. Once it's up, you can sell the same file over and over again, turning one file into passive income. Need ideas? Try daily planners, meal prep sheets, wedding invites, budget templates, social media packs. The demand is high and growing. So if you want a low-risk side hustle that pays long after you've done the work, start selling digital products today. You're just one file away from your first sale. Subscribe to The Inner Light for more side hustle ideas.